Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make message reveal story on your Instagram. Okay, so there are some new pictures on Instagram, on Instagram story. One of them is message reveal. So how you can make it? Just click add story and select picture that you want to make as your story, and then click sticker, and here you can find reveal, so just click on it and you can type what's hidden, for example. Okay, and you can click review to see the story, your story. So when everyone wants to see our story, they have to send us a message first, and then they can open the picture after they send message to us. Okay, just click send to your story. Okay, for example, I'm going to open my another account and I want to see the story. Okay, here's, and I'm going to send a message and the story has been opened. Okay, that's how you can create message reveal, message to reveal story on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.